Hello guys, welcome to JazzedTutorials. This is a whole different video this week. I had to do a lot of research on this question. It took me a while to figure this out, and I've come to the conclusion I'm probably not the best person to ask this question to, because this is actually a Windows-based question, but I'm going to give you my best shot and see if I can help you out. So I was asked about how to install DDS plugins. Now, DDS plugins are Windows-based plugins. They're not made for MacBooks or Mac products at all, so I can't do the actual step-by-step installation, but I did some research on how it's done, and I can kind of walk you through it, kinda, but not really. So I'm going to give you a link. This page here I'm on, this will be a link in the description box. This is a DDS plugin by NVIDIA. I don't think I pronounced that correctly, but that's their developer. There's a collection of texture tools generating from normal maps, blah, blah, blah. This is a plugin for Adobe's Photoshop 5.0 all the way up through CS6. I don't know if it's compatible with CS6 Extended. I would assume, since that's kind of the same, but I really don't know. Yeah, I have no clue what... this is basically their website, and this is what you get when you go on there. What you'll do to download is you're going to click obviously you'll click download here. It's going to bring you to a download center page, and you'll notice how over here where it says download, it says Windows. So obviously I can't download this program. I'm using a Mac, as you know, and I have been using a Mac since 2011. I have not used a Windows computer since 2009 for Photoshop purposes. I have a Windows computer, but it's got no Photoshop on it whatsoever, so can't really do anything with that. But you can download either 32-bit or 64-bit, whichever you want. And upon researching this, what it does is when you download it, you're going to open the file, and it should prompt you with an installation thing, and you'll click next, you'll do whatever it says to do, follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go. It should automatically install to your computer. And when you open Photoshop, all of your textures and stuff that you've downloaded through this DDS plugin should be available. Where they are located, I'm not 100% sure, because again, I'm not a Windows user, so I don't really know. I would assume and hope that this would that this website would give you more help in that realm, and that maybe it would actually showcase when you open Photoshop where they're located. But again, I'm not 100% confident as to where anything would be located on your side of the computer. So I do apologize if this wasn't really much help for your question. But I will provide, again, the link for this particular DDS plugin in the description box below. Hopefully this helps you out with your question. I know it's a short video and not really something I'm used to doing. I'm actually usually in Photoshop doing something cool, but this was a question and I wanted to answer it, so here I am. Alright guys, well that does it for this week's video. It's not really something extravagant, but at least it was an answered question, sort of. If you have any other questions or comments or concerns or whatever you want for this channel, do please let me know in the comments below. If this wasn't helpful for you, I'm very sorry, but again, I don't use a Windows computer anymore for Photoshop, so I'm not confident in how it goes. But again, upon research, it just shows that when you download this particular DDS plugin, it's automatically going to go to a installation screen and will prompt you all the way through. So you should be good to go there. There are other videos on YouTube that show you how to do this, but those videos are not walkthroughed. I mean, they are, but they're not. They have music in the background, and there's people typing out how they're doing it. They're not verbally communicating as they do it, so it's not as helpful, but hopefully this was, sort of. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'm going to be making another video shortly that's going to explain some new rules and regulations with YouTube. So we'll go with that video shortly. I was going to talk about it in this video, but I felt like it wasn't really necessary, so you guys will hear from me shortly about a new things with YouTube. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, please please comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and as well, please subscribe. I love new people. I love making content for you guys, and that's it. Alright, bye!